Stop it.
Ami.
Boss.
And we are here mga brad in Bo's Coffee Shop in Qatar. Yeah. Our first time here. So we will try their food and their coffee. Sariling atin mga brad. First time kong natikman to nung ano pa, college pa ako eh. Tapos ngayon lang na naman. Yeah. Mabuhay Philippines. Alright. Let's go mga brad. Now she's trying the whatever croissant. How's Philippines ate? Yusen, you want? You try. You're not in the mood since a while ago. It might put you back to your mood. So you'll try mga brad. Titikman natin si Bo. Sino ba si Bo? Barako. Joke lang. Masarap siya.
Ano sabi ni ate? Sensational.
Yes. Perfect.
This
Love
one.
your own. We'll try this one. Ano ba to? Chocolate. Ano mo chocolate ito? Ah, this is the latte. Latte. Sarap lang, parang Milo. So, masarap siya.